look how pretty. Morning, Mr. Bear. You're dry. That's nice. So I guess everybody around here got anywhere between 8 to 12 inches. Yeah, so I talked to my mom yesterday on the phone, and she said, well, I didn't get nothing here. I'm looking at my back door at the ramp, and there's nothing. Yeah, well, you know, she's old, I guess. It's really pretty, though. One other time is the only time I've seen this much snow since I've lived here, since I was 13, and that was just a blizzard of 93. There's an avalanche. Good girl. 1 o'clock, you did. Good. The van.